Record this. Hold on, I'll record it too.
Recording is started. My frame rate instantly took a hit.
I'm currently staying high and mighty at 30
left
frames.
lane.
Yeah. So we're going left here.
Yeah, we're going left.
This is so bad. Okay, I went into third person camera and load of someone else's truck. But it's gonna like 4 people are gonna all go at once.
Whoa! That guy!
Okay. I'm gonna go.
Why is this guy not pulling out?
I don't know.
Pull out, you idiot!
Are there's French people recruiting in chat?
Who is beeping? We can't go.
I don't know. We can go. This guy's just not doing it. Okay, he's pulling out. He's pulling out. This is real. Oh
my god! Right,
are we going left here?
Just full speed. We're going.
No, that's not a solution to the problem. Okay, go. Ewan, don't stop. Go. Oh, the police, the pilot car. There's like a little bit of lag, so you need to slow right down. Oh my life. We might get banned for being cars in, just saying.
Oh my god.
Oh, stop. I got a speeding offence, I don't think that's the problem right now. No, yeah, we started. Okay. Oh, I'm getting cut around the inside. That's not the right lane for that, buddy. Okay, we're good.
What, you don't have to take cars, did you?
No.
Oh.
Maybe I should have mentioned that.
Well, there's a car there. Oh, what the fuck?
Yeah, but look at where the car is, dude. Wait, the truck went round.
What these guys, like...
Look at the mini-map. Oh!
I'm playing 31 FPS.
I've got 28.
It's a red light, he's just going! He's just going! What the fuck?
Oh, you and you're about to have an accident.
No, it's alright,
okay.
Right. Red.
Remember to signal here.
Green. Right. Are we going to...
I am. No. Oh, go. Okay,
Are we going to Britain, or are we going to stay and like loop round?
No, we're going to stay here and loop round and then drive to the Duisburg.
Yeah, we'll go through it.
I have no... Oh! Okay, that guy pulled out without indicating, that's fine. There are no places to indicate here, dude. No joke.
Sorry, I don't fight so well.
I'm just gonna follow you. No, all these people are gonna pull out. I can see it happening.
Mia.
Okay, forget it. This is real.
What are you
no,
doing?
It's not real. I'm gonna get banned.
Whoa, this guy just...
Yeah, I'm gonna get banned. I might get banned.
What did you do?
So I couldn't
There was a truck oncoming and I just pulled out into the other lane.
You drive. Fuck you.
I almost had an accident and it was like really bad.
Just brake, dude.
One, I'm not that, am I? No, I'm fine. Okay. It's like a white car stopped like sideways in the middle of the road. Oh, what is that? No!
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Önüne bakmıyorsun, ne oluyor be?
It did roundabout.
Yes. Screaming.
Ne oldu arabama şimdi?
Oh, that guy just died.
Değil mi?
Yeah, this is
Allah'ın belası ya, bak üstüme çıkmış
Fine,
lan.
fine.
O
This guy
elimde Kutay.
screaming.
Kutay.
Inside each other.
It was the Russians'
Oğlum ne
fault!
oluyor burada ya?
In chat, it was the Russians' fault! Oh, where is a mod when you see you on? Oh dude, I'm just gonna very slowly drive away, but... Alright.
Oh! Oh!
What happened?
Look down there to the left, dude.
What?
Look to
What
the
are we
left,
looking at?
there's like trucks just massacred.
I can't see anything.
Look.
Wait, on the other side of the road?
Yeah.
Alright, hold on. I need to have a better look at this.
I think one of them's been removed.
Oh yeah, I see it. Hold on.
His trader was like in the sky.
Oh, okay. I kind of want to see it, but I'll be joking on the wrong bad idea. Because you haven't joined joking experiences.
That guy's cut the corner down.
This guy does not agree with lane. Having it. I'm having to slow down just because I don't know what lane he's in. Like, he's not decided yet. Okay, I'm overtaking him. Hold on.
He's really turned off.
I should have been flashing my lights, but I don't have the button for it. I don't have a button that goes to instant. That was cruise control. Oh! Okay, I almost had an accident. Oh, okay, it's fine. Which one's high beams? I'm scared. Stop.
What the hell?
Oh!
Oh no, this guy's not stopping!
No,
oh,
no.
he did. Okay.
I'm just gonna very slowly go along. Oh no, okay, stop.
Fucking turkey. This guy's pushing through behind you, dude.
Pero pasa luego, cámbiate para el lado.
Hola.
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 This guy doesn't care.
Yeah, this guy's having... Okay, this guy's dying. I hope you're ready for this, dude. Okay, we're good. Dude, I hope you're ready for this. Oh, it's slow off the start. Oh, he's literally all over the road.
Just slow down and fucking.
That's what I'm doing.
I'll stay in this lane.
Oh, this one's...
Oh, he's taking me out.
Oh, I crashed because look at you. Okay, we need to catch up with this guy. He dies. Okay, nice.
40% now.
Oh, the boy! Oh!
Jump down, mate.
Stop. Just like harass this guy.
I'm driving off. I'm driving off before we get banned. Oh, the left!
Oh no!
There's a guy, he's on his nose and left
Dude, it's really bad.
left-hand side of the road.
I think we need to go.
Dear.
It's
Oh,
it's salty.
Yeah, he's been teleported.
These guys are pretty dead. I don't know, that guy's inside the curb, like, clipped in. This is the guy that murdered the other guy. Oh, that was so funny. And this one.
I think I just killed that guy.
We need to now take his engine malfunction.
Dude, I'm so gone. That guy's pissed, I think.
Yeah,
Because me cutting him off meant he went into...
The fact is, we like have gang colours on because we're both the same colour, so they know which one. I'm having pretty consistent engine malfunction. Dude, what?
Red light.
Silly boy! I have an engine malfunction.
No! I can't get you. No!
I just saw you drive off in the wrong direction. What happened?
I couldn't control my car.
Okay, press F7. Where does it take you if you hit enter?
No, I'm alright, I'm good.
Buradan sağa döneceğiz ha.
Get into the bus.
Kisk to okay, right here. Dude, this is the famous intersection. I think infamous might be the word.
No, this isn't the bit where like...
No, this is the bit.
No, it's not. This is the bit where...
It's the bit where the truck
This
like
is where we're
clipped
coming up on. I can't drive!
Oh, I don't understand how you're having.
Help!
Is your controller just like
Help
periodic?
me.
Oh, Ewan, this junction's really bad, Ewan.
Dude, I'm on my fucking roof.
Press F7 enter. Where does it take you?
It takes me to Duisburg.
Okay, get into Duisburg. I'll meet you there.
It's just the connect.
You have to turn left. It's gonna be absolutely suffering.
Oh, that guy's turning in the
It's already
middle
bad.
of
It's
the
already
road.
bad. It's already bad. I'm just gonna dive in.
Oh my
Alright. Oh, this is so bad, dude. I can't stop for you, I'm sorry. There's like 0 chance of losing this. No, I don't care. Okay, I've had an accident, but it's fine, so I took 0 damage. Go.
my god.
I didn't let him out, I right of way.
This guy just parked in the middle of the road.
Yeah, it's fine.
This guy! He's come ripping it around the corner and just squeezed it.
As soon as we spoke these spawns, I go from like 0 FPS to max. While I'm waiting for you, I need to
There's guys like on the
make my way
pavement.
Konvoy var mı?
Oh my. What do you say? Okay. I think that's normal. There's some French kids earlier, that's what I mean.
Oh my. Oh! Oh!
Oh, I saw that.
Pilot.
And then the other truck like cartoonishly drove around. Oh, dude, it's this junction, and there's no way around it. This is the one where I died last time. Needless to say, I'm going to start indicating very early. Bad ideas. Actually, kind of working right now. Like, there's not been death. There will be death.
That's why.
Yeah, Oh. Okay, yeah, that guy's going right, so I can continue. That's not how right turns work, you... I'm fine. I'm fine.
Oh, the pilot's come! He's taking me out.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Nice. 2904 wreck. It was 2904.
That's the pilot car. This.
Oh, he's just ramming! He's ramming!
What? That black truck was
It's because the pilot car's ramming.
Yeah,
You gotta go off him.
him.
Oh! Yes! What is this? They're all like overtaking on the outside and hitting me. What?
This next junction is a bit where
Oh, it's so busy. Dude, what is this even? That's the air horn where it like changes pitch as you drive away. Okay, this green guy's gonna ram. 100%. Okay, no. Why is that truck facing that way?
Oh!
Why is
that guy?
back inside itself? We need to turn left here, so we're gonna get the full force of this. Oh my. We're fine. Literally nothing.
Oh my god!
Okay,
The dude on the
maybe
left, he just doesn't care.
there's a little bit of bad stuff happening, but other than that, it's all good. Yeah, this is fine.
No, don't turn out, you pillock! Like, I swear people that play these games, like, drive in real life, and like a lot of
Yeah, they do. Yeah, they do, and they drove like this. It's exactly the same thing.
Dude,
The
behind
thing is in
you,
real life.
there's 2 cars cutting in. Coming around
Oh,
the corner.
I think they're ramming. Hold on. Those cars are questionable. One of them's got like a picture of a girl, so that's never a good sign. like an Instagram the model or something. Okay, there we go.
I might come round you.
He's sure? Okay, that actually worked. You have to slow down for this.
Hello, yürü artık yürü.
Hello guys!
Whoa, that guy diesel almost killed me.
You're inside the robot.
This is gonna be like an hour of footage.
Yep.
Whoa!
It's gonna be literally like 20 kills. I don't
Oh, the
care.
pilot's on
If
the
you-
side of the road, that's not a good sign.
You need to like Dropbox me yours or something so I can work on it. Oh, he's just tried to ram me.
Whoa!
He just tried to flat out ram me. Oh my. Yeah?
What the
Alright, so
hell?
Bye, Envy.
guy's got like this. Oh my god, this
Oh my! How are these people allowed to play? Oh, the
This road is just
pilot's
carnage.
page. Oh, he just got around my black truck really badly. I'm on my roof.
What's that?
I'm gonna
This
F7.
guy's just sat on back. Whoa!
F7 takes me to Duisburg, you, and you gotta roll me over. You gotta roll me over.
Come back and roll me over. I'm not kidding.
There's too much traffic. I got this turn around.
I can't go back to
Hang on,
Duisburg.
I'm trying.
You can't roll me over. There's no chance of me going back to Duisburg. Yeah, I know roadblock. What do you think I'm gonna do? Drive back to... Oh, I got rolled back on my... I got rolled out on the map.
Sivis. Yavaş git. Ananı sikerim. Tamam.
It just played me like Greek. I've had to go back to
Ananı
Duisburg.
avradını sikeyim, kaza yapıyorum. Tamam, anlaşıldı, tamam.
The guy's screaming.
Admin, ananı avradını sikeyim.
On the
Tamam.
backside of the road.
Dude, I've got to go all the way back to where
Admin,
you
beni
were.
banlamazsan orospu çocuğusun. Nur evladı. Anlaşıldı, tamam.
This is it.
What the fuck? This black truck's just banned.
Good. I just got rammed.
Oh my god. This is you here.
Yeah, I got rammed. I got rammed so bad. Okay. Griffin wanted to just like sandwich me between like him and another guy. I don't think it's his fault though. Rec ban 235. Oh, it's this place again. Okay, so this is like one of the 3 awful options you come up against so far.
I'm happy that I don't lose control anymore.
Yeah, hopefully.
Oh, there's people off.
Okay, don't try and do anything clever because these guys are. Oh my! Nice
Fuck that
turning. What was that?
Still
What was
going.
that?
He just refuses.
Oh, he's doing it. He's doing it. He's got it. This guy's gonna crash into me. It's cement mix is the last thing.
Oh no.
Ban. Why is everyone saying bro when they're banning people? Oh, okay. The car's just.
Oh my
I've got to pull out in front of this guy. I don't have a choice. I can't up, but I don't care. I just put his high beams on. You made it out pretty cleanly.
No, that's alright.
Like literally dead.
Kin. Oh, there's a guy ripping on the left. It's just like last time. He's coming round fast.
Oh! He hit me, but it took
O
the.
hakkı bizim pardon ama.
Why is this junction?
What is he doing?
Yeah?
What?
Yeah, I'll come down after
Oh, this junction does weird things to the brain, dude. Like, I swear. Still allowed to play. How have I not? Oh, he's on the wings of the. How have I not been banned? I've caused like 4 massive.
GTX 1070 out.
Dude.
Oh!
Frames.
Oh my god! This guy's vertically up.
Oh no. Well, I'm glad you kept recording.
Oh, he's flying!
Okay.
What the hell?
Okay, you need to send me your footage. You need to edit down your footage to, like, the bare bones and then we can, because, wow.
Whoa!
Sounds...
This guy's got a car with a caravan.
Oh, that's a thing now. I'm actually sweating from playing this game. It's so hard. Especially considering
Whoa, that guy's.
especially considering if I mess up now, it's straight back to that guy's just overtaking everyone on the outside. Oh, that was almost a fat accident.
Whoa! No! I'm stuck underneath this guy's truck.
Are you serious?
Yeah. Engine
Oh.
malfunction, dude, he's killed me.
No, this guy's gonna stack right into the back of me. Oh, okay, we're fine. Okay, I had a. No, don't. No, this is a bad time to stall. Bad time to stall. Okay, fine.
This dude just like the
Whoops. I should also turn off the recording.
fucking bombhead.
He's done it again.
How
Absolute unit.
Stop in the middle of the road. Put his hazards on.
Oh. Right. Do you want me to do? Okay, so pass it.
Oh, we're not going to this way.
Are you actually sick of it?
Are we not slow the fuck
It's so damn 45 is a perfectly acceptable speed to go across. Oh.
Oh my
Dude,
god.
French roundabouts. French roundabouts.
What the hell?
Soçker mısın? Ne ayaksın?
39 'um. Hemşehri 80.
I'm going out on
39 'um.
You go outside there, you can see it.
No! Fucking idiot!
Wait, am I actually not gonna have an accident?
var ya.
God.
I actually made it through. Fine.
30 FPS! Let's fucking go, guys!
This lane isn't moving.
What? I just stalled.
Yeah.
Right, we're stuck in this
Oh
lane.
my god, the simple people. It's like some terrorist
Oğlum nereye gittin?
Oh no. No, I keep stalling! Shut up. No, it's not happening. This is not real.
There's so much traffic going into it.
I'm going for it. Oh, okay. That's not quite what I was going for. I'm going for it again. Nice. Yo! The whole traffic pile up was caused by one truck who just wasn't driving. Are you serious? What?
The other direction is oh.
Yeah, we're doing
I'm just gonna drive past that. That's one for the montage.
Thank you.
Oh, wreck.
Why is this guy pulling out? Oh my god! Ricardo's not furious. He's missed the turn. That guy doesn't care.
No! Somebody desync to the back of me and did 27% damage. Oh, I've got an engine light, dude. Oh no. Gamers, rise up!
Go through Lille or not?
We gotta go through Lille, take a left. Or just undertake, dude. Oh! I'm on the wrong side of the road. I'm on the wrong side of the road.
Thicker.
Oh, I just... I have a problem.
This guy just killed himself.
I just caused an accident by being on the wrong side of the road. That doesn't look very good, you know.
That guy, he turned in the dude didn't stop.
I mean, I might get kicked or something now. I might get like a 3-day
You
ban
didn't do
again. Anything. Just a bunch of beeping trucks. Right, I'm ready. Oh, right, I'm inside someone. I'm inside someone.
You killed that guy.
Did I?
Yeah.
Dude, this guy's stopping at traffic lights. Hello?
That's try hard.
Remember we used to stop at traffic lights?
No.
Yeah, me neither.
he turned in front of him.
That guy's a legend. I wish I was that fresh, but he'll probably get kicked. Like, if he does that more.
He's like stopped on the roundabout.
Watch this.
I'm not bothered. I'm just playing this.
You don't have a problem.
Çıkıyor işte ya.
Don't ask how we got into this situation.
Hasan
So allow
sağ
me to
devam
get
et.
myself out
Hasan
of it.
sağa geç, sağdan yavaş yavaş gidelim. Veya soldan yavaş yavaş gidelim.
Oradan gidelim de. Ben ölmem. Batu!
Hasan yavaş gel, Hasan yavaş.
Ha, beni yavaş
Schweine Kapitalisten!
Drive! Drive! Fucking drive, bitches!
Devam et lan.
What's
Oh,
this?
what the hell?
Move a bit ahead! Please, just move a bit!
Hasan gelmiyor.
I'm fairly sure
Virajı
that just
yavaş
stopped
dönün
there because
biraz
they're
gençler.
advertised.
So fucking stupid people.
Ha ben
Those
arkamızdan
different
da.
things can solve
The Turkish were like angry and did that guy sound like classic Russian microphone where all you hear is
driving while he's
Furkan ne yaptın?
yeah, it sounds like he's actually driving, but it's like on Sabay it was the angry German guy. Oh, Ewan, the traffic up ahead is not
Turn
optimal.
right or carrying on.
Right. Ewan,
You okay?
Ewan,
You okay?
you saw that? You did that?
I'm sorry.
You
are
knew
you
you
okay?
did that? You just absolutely blasted me.
Is your health okay?
Yeah, I'm at 3%. I'm fine. I still have an engine light though. Thanks. Just go. Don't stop. Oh my!
Now we're- now
Engine
we're-
malfunction. This is not a good.
I almost hit him. Wreck 90 kilometers an hour. So if you go higher than 90 kilometers an hour, it's go record.
What is
Oh,
this?
what the fuck?
Oh!
Whoa, that's the unturned.
Oh. Absolute dough. My face hurts from laughing. It's like 8:30 at night. And we're just like it's like the evening. Oh!
Jesus
fine.
Christ.
You saw that, didn't you? That guy was not stopping. Oh!
I always
Oh! Why is there a car on the wrong side of the road? Oh, gosh.
It's overtaken.
I can help it. Oh! Oh, the red truck's back. I had to brake.
Why?
What's going on? Why is everyone on the side of the road? This guy's not even trying to drive on the right side of the road, look! 10 Russ. Oh, there's a bit of desync. Careful, stay behind, like,
You're gonna
stay
ram
way
me.
behind the guy.
Yep.
I can actually hear me. Because of desync. Oh man, this is fun. I'm
What,
619.
That 10 Rust guy
do it.
tried to get someone banned.
Yeah?
He's like
Yeah?
in the left hand, like the wrong lane.
Unbelievable. He's in the wrong lane going like 2 miles per hour. Like not even trying to cross. Do you want to see my amazing traffic skimming strategy?
10 Rust is gonna be
Hope you're ready.
anything. There you go. Yeah, that'll do that.
Oh, okay, it's a problem. Wait,
Oh,
okay,
shit, you're
fine,
gonna get-
fine, I lost no spaces, this guy's trying to overtake. What is he doing? What is he doing? Fine. I took a little bit of damage. I'm at 24%. Metin 4, dude. Hold on, you go, let me go ahead so I can direct, even though there's not a lot of directing to be done, thank you.
Can we just go in the fucking...
No, wait, there's people on the other way. That would have been quite funny.
It's the
I've done
dude in
that.
front of the guy we're in front of. He's going so slow. Look, the gap.
Are you ready for this?
Yeah, right. We're cutting it. Go, 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 go.
This guy's also trying to do it, but he's too slow.
No, just go on the grass, dude. Off-roading.
There's a car coming!
Go, turn back in. That guy's going so slow. These guys are going so slow as well. Right, we need to
I'm undertaking this guy, there's not even...
yes.
Oh, you're in this
Oh, maybe not. It's 10 Ross.
Oh, PogChamp!
Who did you pick?
This just obliterated that truck wreck! Dude, he wrecks those! He's doing like 10 miles per hour! There's another one, there's another one, there's another one, we have to stop this.
What
Dude,
the
what is
hell?
that road? Like a... Oh!
What the hell? 59 Russ!
They're all Russian!
Russ 59 again.
They're all Russian. Oh, this guy's lagging everywhere. It's fine.
This is a tight turn. Jesus
This guy coming the other way. Oh! Oh!
Christ. That was close.
Did you see how much I meant to spot it? I want to overtake him, but people keep coming the other way.
How a go? It's easy to go.
You'll see his picture in a minute. You'll be like, oh yeah, that's the kind of
yes,
driver this bit.
That's not a go.
Yeah,
That's a Nick 40 go.
it might be a very confident go, but I suspect it's more likely to be like
Oh.
a 65-year-old man.
Oh! Jesus Christ! There's one grass back there.
Oh! We're fine. We're fine.
Why can't people drive?
We're fine. I don't know. What I don't get right is that people need to stop to go for dinner or whatever, and they're like, right, I could quit the game, or less reasonably but still doably, I could like go on my side of the road and like sit there, but no, I'm gonna sit horizontally across. Oh no! I drove under it. I drove under it. It's a catastrophe. It's a natural disaster.
Oh my god!
International scale.
How can these people not drive?
LOL XD in chat.
Rodney.
Rodney. OMG XD. We jump in XD. Yeah, and there's another one coming up, like 100%. Oh, is that truck there? Oh, you're in this bad. I think it's just traffic, we're okay. No, it's like a guy stopped in the middle of the road.
Fuck's
I'm
sake!
doing this.
Right, we're going around the outside, dude.
Okay. Oh,
Hang on, no. Let's do...
Copenhagen message. Alright, build up some speed and then go. Debil!
I'm overtaking.
This guy's tag is 90 kilometers per hour. I hurt this guy. By the way, I'm prone to engine malfunction now. Car's like obliterated. Oh!
Whoa! That guy almost took me out.
They're all going so fast around the inside lane of corners in trucks. What is wrong with you people?
Siente putera! Oh! How can he crash? That was one of the guys that came off.
Oh, I'm so glad you decided to play this game. I would not have experienced this. Oh, there's so many people up ahead.
Oh. No, you knobheads! He just pulled out. I've got engine malfunction
I
now.
can't steer straight because I'm literally rocking back and forth with my chair off. My
Wait for me,
lungs
dude.
are in
Oh
agony.
shit, I've gone into the wrong lane. Okay.
Am I waiting for you?
Yeah, wait for me.
I'll slow down a little bit.
Like they just pull out. That's the thing, the people that like fuck up are normally people that are tryharding as well.
Yeah. That's true.
Whoa! My god!
Okay. I've got to
Oh,
get your footage
like
of
the
this.
peop-
It's probably nuts.
people that are trolling are like less likely to mess up than
I need to. Oh, that goes on the other side of the road. It's starting to kick me because again.
concentrate. Dennis 34 plus.
Honestly,
That guy's in the middle of the road. Whoa!
Oh, you didn't.
I'm in the floor.
Oh no. Should I drive off?
No, it's all right. I just flipped this guy up though.
Okay, dude, you need to get here now because I'm in traffic. This is the only time I can stop.
What the hell? Why are you on the right side of the road?
Wrong side of the road.
I know, but like,
Yeah. I just flipping pressed on the
oh
pedal.
my god. What? These guys are like trying and they just
Yeah, and you
don't
got a
know.
cat with hazard lights on. Holding the horn.
Maybe innocent bandit.
Ewan.
Oh my. I'm trying to play.
What
What the hell are you doing? Oh! He's flipped.
I just saw the headlights fly up in the distance. That's it.
Oh my god. What
Oh, I hope
the
you're
hell?
recording your stuff in
I am.
first. 'Cause I'm not.
My guys were kicked in the front of us.
What's this? Escape.
There's
Okay,
some-
nice.
Oh, engine malfunction. Wait, are we going straight
I'm
on?
fine. Yeah.
I've got an engine malfunction. I'm crossing the fucking junction board.
I just see a wall of blue behind you. You better go, boy.
This guy's not slowing down.
I have a problem.
You're gonna die.
No, Oh, it was just like a complete lack of concentration or willingness to down, and I can't move. Hold on. F7,
You're kidding me.
F7 to Duisburg. The only thing I could do. I couldn't move.
Alright, it'll stop my engine malfunction with this.
Literally, dude.
Where are we
It's
going? Where are we
literally.
going?
Right. Luckily. Dude, watch this. I've already taken damage.
Why is he turning?
He was on my side.
What a pillar.
Oh. I can't breathe. My lungs.
Oh my god. This is
I've had my left turn blinker at 60, 70. That's bot 80. Are you ready for this? Are you ready for this?
Oh! I threaded a needle! I think I killed someone.
Oh, we're such.
Are we going full on here?
Yeah, no stop, no stop, no stop. Even though it's red, just go. So, form a box with me. Form a box. Stay behind me into the left, and just slow right down. First gear. In. Like. Oh no, I need to be in third person to exit. I'll accelerate. You stay about the same speed.
Look at this score.
What's this? What's this?
This guy's got it randomly.
Oh, it didn't work. Okay.
Where are we going?
Right.